Hi everyone. So today we're going to look at the last 2 pages of the science revision paper. So the first question here is question 7. It says answer the questions using the identification key. So there's an identification key in front of you there, and we have 4 questions, A, B, C and D. So you need to look at the identification key here. This is the identification key here, and we've got 4 questions there, A, B, C and D. So the first question, or the first line in the identification key, the first question is, does it live in water? And then you have yes and no. On the no side, we have another question here, which says, does it have legs? And again, we have the answer yes and the answer no. And on the yes side, we have another question there. Can it fly? Yes and no. And on the no side here, we have another question. Does it have scaly skin? Yes and no. So the questions then are, question 7a is, which creature lives in water? So you need to look at the questions and to answer that one, which creatures live in water? Which creature lives in water? Part B, which creature can fly? Part C, how many creatures in the key do not have legs? Part D, what difference does the key show between a worm and a snake? Okay. Moving on now to the last question. True or false? We have 4 of them. Okay, you just need to circle whether the sentences or statements are true or false. First one is, we can use identification keys to help us name unfamiliar creatures. Is that true or false? Second one, we can only use identification keys to identify animals. Third one is, identification keys can be simple or complex. And the last one, plants of the same type may look very different. So just put a ring around either true or false for those questions.